Hello everyone. In this video we are going to be checking out the 5 best kitchen gadgets. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research of the markets. I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, check out the links in the description below and sure subscribe to our channel for future review videos. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Oster Belgian Waffle Maker. The Oster Belgian Waffle Maker indulge in the experience of fresh, homemade Belgian waffles with deep pockets full of tasty toppings and syrup. This Oster Belgian Waffle Maker features an 8-inch plate that makes one large, perfectly cooked waffle in minutes. This durable Belgian waffle iron is built with a sturdy stainless steel housing for long-lasting performance. The 8-inch, non-stick round plates easily release your Belgian waffles, and they're easy clean, too. Oster Belgian Waffle Maker Adjustable Temperature Control. You can customize heat levels for light or dark waffles. Ready lights tell you when to put the batter in. This is a very basic unit with a bit of a learning curve. Its indicator lights, the waffle maker clearly displays when the power is on and whether it is ready to bake. Number 4. Keurig K Mini Coffee Maker. The Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker is a rich, smooth, and delicious cup every time with the quality you expect from Keurig. Its simple touch buttons make your brewing experience stress-free, and multiple K-Cup pod brew sizes help to ensure you get your perfect cup. Whether you like your coffee strong, mild, decaf, or flavored, you can brew all of your favorites with the Keurig K Classic, and with a large 48 ounces water reservoir, you can brew 6+ cups before having to refill. Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker. You can discover hundreds of K-Cup pod varieties from all of the brands you love, including Green Mountain Coffee, Starbucks, and Lipton, and enjoy coffee, tea, hot cocoa, and more. Also available in 2 fun colors to complement your decor, and compatible with the Keurig Classic Series My K-Cup reusable coffee filter, so you can brew your own ground coffee. Number 3. 2-Slice Slot Toaster. The Amazon Basics 2-Slice Slot Toaster's sleek small unit provides reliable results, toasting 1 or 2 slices of bread at a time. A useful addition to any kitchen counter, the 2-Slice toaster features a sleek black appearance for an attractive everyday style. It easily accommodates individual preferences. A simple turn of the dial adjusts the shade setting. Indicator lights make it easy to see the selected setting at a glance. Amazon Basics 2-Slice Slot Toasters has each slot measures 5 to 1/4 of an inch long by 1 to 1/4 of an inch wide. The toaster's extra lift lever raises toast up to help ensure safe retrieval. The toaster's long 22-inch power cord makes it easy to situate the toaster right where you want it. When finished using the toaster, simply unplug it, and you can use the handy cord wrap for tidy out-of-the-way storage. It comes with a removable crumb tray for quick, convenient cleanup as needed. Number 2. Silicone Food Safe Baking Mat. The Amazon Basics Silicone Baking Mat is made from durable, food-grade silicone that can be reused over and over. The flexible baking mats feature a non-stick surface that allows for effortless food removal. No extra greasing needed. The mats work well for placing under bubbling casseroles or fruit pies that drip over, catching drips and preventing a messy oven, dirty pan, or the need for disposable aluminum foil. With this Amazon Basics silicone baking mats, you can skip the cooking spray, pan greasing, and parchment paper. It's unlike other types of pans and baking sheets. The non-stick baking mat can handle the use of metal spatulas or utensils without damage. The silicone mats offer a wonderful alternative, helping to promote healthier results and ultimate convenience when baking or candy making in the kitchen. Number 1. Takea Patented Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker. The Takea Cold Brew Coffee Maker is affordable, easy to use and a snap to clean, and uses fewer beans to create tasty iced coffee. Only the naturally delicious coffee flavors are extracted with cold brewing, leaving behind the bitter oils and fatty acids, creating a perfectly balanced, smooth extraction of concentrated coffee. Once brewed, concentrated coffee can be kept fresh in the Takea Airtight Cold Brew Coffee Maker for up to 2 weeks and used for both hot and iced coffees. Takea Cold Brew Coffee Maker is 4 servings of smooth cold brew with any type of coffee grounds and is less acidic than traditional coffee brewing. The fine mesh coffee filter in this cold brew coffee maker keeps grounds out of your freshly brewed pot, differing from other coffee machines. Takaya brings over 55 years of Japanese design heritage.